大家好，我是拉各斯大学孔子学院的李老师，你也可以叫我七六六老师。Hello everyone, I am Chilogo Laoshi from Confucius Institute, University of Lagos. You can also call me Laoshi. Today we are going to learn initials and finals in Chinese language, which also the same meaning with vowels and consonants in Chinese. Again, most of our fans have asking us to, able to explain the initials and finals. So today we are going to give it to them. I hope you will enjoy the class. Let's go. Okay. So the first one, in Chinese, we have 6 basic finals, which also the same meaning with vowels in Chinese language. 6 basic finals or 6 basic vowels. You can call it finals or vowels. Okay. The first one is, so why did I say 6 basic? Because apart from these 6 basic, they can form the other vowels they form using these 6. So that's why we say 6 basic vowels. Okay. So the first one is what? Just like in father. Then the next one, just like office. Then the next one, E is what? Just like Then the E is what? E, at the I is E. Then the U is what? Like bamboo. Bamboo. Then E in B. E. Then the next one, the U with 2 dots on top, it sounds like U in English, just like you, just like when you write fish, you in Chinese means what? Fish. You. Okay, so let's go one more time. Say after me. Just like 我饿了. If you say 我饿了, 饿 means hungry, so I'm hungry. 我饿了 means what? I am hungry. 我饿了. Then E. Then Then the U on with 2 dots is what? U. Okay. That is for finals. Can we do it now? Can you try? Okay, very good. Okay, so for example, can we use them to do examples? For examples, so we already say like, or like 我 means what? I or me. Then the first one is ba. Or let's use ba 8. Ba is what? 8. Ba. Then the next one, I just said it now. Is what? Hungry. To be hungry, that is what? I am hungry. Then E, like E, which means 1. E. Then U, just like W and U sound the same in Chinese. So the U is still Wu, 5. This is 5. Then U is fish. Okay. As in ba, which is 8. Wo, which means what? I or me. Then is what? Like hungry. So if I say 我饿了 means I am hungry. Then wu is what? Wu, like 5 in numbers. Wu. Then yu is what? Yu, fish in Chinese. Okay, very good. So that is all for the 6 basic finals. Then with other formations, with using these 6, then you can read up that one, or later we can to finish up that one. So now the next one is what? Initials, which also means consonant in Chinese language. Initials or consonants. Okay, so what are the initials? First one is bat, bo, bo, just like in English word, bat, bo, bo, bo. Then po, pa, po. These are English words. How it sound? Bo, bo, po, mo, mo, fo, bo, po, mo, fo. Then do, like that. Do, to, no, lo, do, that, to, take, like T in take. No, na, no and na. Lo, lo and love. Do, to, no, lo, bo, po, mo, fo. Can you try it? Bo, po, mo, fo. Very good. Do, to, no, lo. Okay, you're doing well. Then go, like gate. Go in G in gate. Go, go. Then k in kill. K, h, go, k, h. Can you try it? Go, k, h. Then G in G, G. Chi, chi, chi. Just like 7. Chi. Then she. She is to wash. To wash. Chi, chi, chi. Okay. The next one. Z, z, z. T, z, t, t, s. Again. Z, z in keys. Z, z, t, t, s, s in sun. S, s. Okay. Z, t, s, z, t, s, z, t, s. Very good. You're doing well. The next one. G, 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 G to eat. G to eat. G, then G, 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 G. This one. G, which means stand. Again, let's go again. Try after me. G, 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 G to eat. G, G. Okay. Then E. You see this E is the same with this E. The same pronunciation. E. Just like in one. E. So they pronounce the same. E. Then U. U is the same with what? Wu. The same wu. The same wu. Okay. Let's try it again. Again, let's go. Bo, po, mo, fo. Can you try it? Bo, po, mo, fo. Very good. Da, da, ta, ta, na, la, da, ta, na, la. Now do one. Ka, ka, ha. Again. Ka, ka, ha. Very well. G, G, chi, chi. This G you can do it as for G, like chicken. G. Chicken. Chicken. G. Okay. Then chi, z, z, t, s, j, sh, r. I think we omitted this before. R. For example, r. R is what? Hot. I'm very hot. So we say G, sh, r. This is r. Okay. Then E. E the same with E. U the same with U. Very good. Do we get it? Okay, so let's do summary of initials and finals. So the finals are what the 6 basis final is. Let's do it together. A, L, E, U, U. Very good. Then the initial, which is the same thing with consonant, is B, P, M, F, D, T, N, L, G, K, P, G, Ch, Z, T, S, J, Sh, R, E, U. Okay, so this will be the end of our today's class. I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Share to your friends who are interested in learning Mandarin. 再见。